What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are looking at the Rimthin lighting kit for your vehicle. This is a HID lighting kit, and this particular one is an H4 model, but they have H13, 9004, and 9007. So check your car, see what kind it uses, and then definitely check these guys out. It has a 50,000 hour lifespan on this, and this is a 6000K kit. If we go ahead and open this up, we can see that it's very nicely packed, including with a user manual. I'm going to very gently pull this out, and you'll see that these are LED HIDs, so you don't have to worry about getting your fingers on any cathode rays or anything like that. These are full super bright LEDs, and this is a metal or aluminum probably housing for this style of kit. So we have two lights here, one for each headlight, and it has a built-in fan to keep these cool as well, which is a really nice touch. So yeah, there's nothing to it but to actually install these. These are again the H4s, and we'll get these installed in our truck and see what they look like.